Welcome to Top Trading Edge, folks. Today, 10th December, Sunday, and let's take a look at the market conditions, see what market looks like upcoming week. So, okay. So as you can see right here, the bulls are in control. MACD already started giving up on a daily, but still bulls are in control as cloud conditions are also bullish right here on the daily chart. Okay, but folks, we need to also look into the 4-hour charts, and what I noticed something interesting. So bull started giving up right here. That is the another. So I'm going to lay out the bearish scenario, bullish scenario, both to figure it out. Market had a divergence started about a month ago, and continuously market was feeding. Without the volume, market was going up and up and up continuously right here. So that is fine. So that's where we were bullish despite this continuously bullish, but from onwards here, from November onwards, just a second. November onwards, market continuously become bullish, which is, obviously we figured that market looks like. Now what we did is market poked through the resistance, and that's how the market knows that market broke through the resistance and everybody is now bullish, correct? And that's what the volume looked like. So when I look at the 1 hour daily chart, sorry, not the 1 hour daily chart, what do you see the volume, folks, right here? As Friday, as you can see right here, constant market was bullish right here, and that's what we announced in the path to success class, that market looks like a super bullish on 4 hours, which is right here, right? That was the light and the tunnel right here. So what does it mean? MACD trying to cross volume building in. This is 4-hour chart is telling me there's a squeeze continuation, volume building in, and look like market want to go higher, correct? That's what it look like. But the problem, there is a twist. Okay, folks, we always lay out the two things on it. So there is a twist in the market. What is the twist? The blackout period, folks. Remember, blackout period is starting now, which is this week. So most of the asset managers, they go on vacation, right? Third week of after second week finish, third week onwards they go on vacation, and they have to close their certain position before they go on vacation also, and they need to do all these buying, selling, whatever need to finish. That is the reason what I think about it, that we need to watch now here onwards. Why? Because I also figured there is a, look at that, the machine report. The machine is telling is over right here. We are very close to the overbought territory, very close to it, folks. Not completely overbought, but we are in a completely top territory. What does that mean, folks? Now remember, the blackout period is near. Buy, if you take a look at the history of the buy, we are also very close to the top. So that does not mean that market gonna sell off and we're gonna market could dump. That could also validate the price. Why? So what I think is this, folks. If market decide, if the machine goes and triggers to go sell, we could have a red day right here, just like this, and if people become bearish also, that can be possibility because of the MACD on a daily MACD cross. But 4-hour chart look like a bullish to me right here, as you can see. But the cloud started giving up, but clouds are not bearish yet. All right, so we need, this is the, whenever the new week starts, folks, we do not want, I don't want to go first. Let the market maker go first. Let them decide. We need certain things. We need linear line to be broken. Do you see anywhere market creating sloping resistance? Continuously sloping support. So if the market is continuously creating sloping support, everywhere creating sloping support, even 30 minutes, 4 hour, the 4-hour charts, zero, right? I don't see a sloping resistance. Look at that sloping resistance. We need some cycle to, not like a 5-minute chart and 15-minute charts and say, hey, look at that sloping resistance, right? Not like that. We need something to figure it out. So right now I don't see that. Once we see that, then we will follow. We don't even see the linear line is being broken. We don't even see the trend line is being broken, right? So I'm not gonna jump in any bandwagon and be the part of the first trap. When the market maker lay out the cheese tomorrow and become red, we all go, let's go in short, right? And then hold the position overnight or whatever situation would be. Then the first mouse get trapped. The following mouse enjoy the party, enjoy the cheese, right? Exactly. So we don't want to be part of that. Why? Because the situation is like that, folks. If you take a look at the December month, look at the machine reading, right? And even today class, folks, we had we looked it up. There is a lot of market maker need to feed the data, right? They need to do a lot of buying also in order to finish that routine task to make all the 401k. So there's a both the side of the things we need to look. So what I see here is I don't see a flush. If they want to, if they want to right here for around 4, if the market breaks 454, then I would believe that market got a weakness. Until then, we will might compress if that happens, okay, folks? Because when I look at all the semi stocks, look at that. Look at the Qualcomm. Just to give you idea, look at what Qualcomm look like. Bullish squeeze coming in. Look at this pullback. Market want to go. Look at the conditions, and we are right at the supply to poke through. And look at the volume building. Same thing. AVGO. Just to give you an idea, look at the AVGO. Look at that. Look at the volume spiking. When market was going up, no volume, and now market pull back, and look at the volume, immense volume coming in. Look at the MACD curling up now. Look at the conditions. So this is super bullish AVGO, right? Same thing on AMD. Look at that AMD. Look at that AMD pull back, and we had a strong bull here coming in. Look at the AMD trying to cross. Okay, so and squeeze coming in bullish also. So these are the things what I see here. I don't want to spend too much time on this video, but I just wanted to make sure, folks, you can understand here what market is doing here, right? So we need to follow the money. The monies are telling me right now so far still bullish, even though right now, folks, the futures are red and dumping and God knows what not happening right now. Everybody is, but let that thing happen and we will see. Let the market maker decide, folks. Okay, so we would need to give a little time here, because based on future, that's what people trade. I don't trade based on the future and just decide that market gonna dump, right? So let the market maker decide. Over here, I don't see anything. Once we see something, then we will figure. All right, so far both the scenario we looked into, the bearish scenario, bullish scenario. We're not gonna lay out the bull side. Bull side is always furthermore, there's a lot more room to go for 462.90, 462.90. That's the resistance next probably, and then we will see from there onwards for the bull side. The bear side, they could go back and test the sloping support, which is around 455, 456. If they want to sell off and create a diversion, and we could go lower if they really want to do that. So that also we have one card on the table too to find out, because if this MACD again cross back on down here, that would be a perfect diversion and dump the market and trap all these bulls. Tons of bulls are here, right? Yeah, everything possibilities are there, but right now we need to wait, see what market gonna do. As we see the cloud got a little, bids are giving up right here, as you can see here on the clouds also, but still they are bullish. Okay, not the bad cloud. Okay, so that's why this December month, folks. Okay, remember, so maybe a volume would be lower and sideways, and it'll be we gotta be very careful now, folks. Okay, you can't, if the iron is not hot, don't try to hammer it, because it will be a nibbling time. Okay, because of the holidays, and there will be a lot of choppy cycles and unexpected cycle you will see and stuff like that. So be careful. Just wait for the market to perform well, as we learned today in the class also, right? We need market to perform well. When market perform good, you need a volume. You need market to move a little bit in a little bit in a distance, right? You don't want to have a marathon running in the tunnel. You want to run the marathon when the open ground is, right? Then you can have a party. Same thing. So now we need all the asset manager in the market to drag the market going up and down, right? More. Otherwise, we could be trying to, if the iron is not hot and you keep hammering, you keep burning your premium, right? So keep those things in mind, folks. Okay, so I will be nibbling then going crazy. All right, so that's what I would think right now. All right, so folks, let's wind it up. So tomorrow morning, if those who are new here, folks, join the Top Trading community right here. Every day I go live morning 9:30 to 4 p.m. and see you guys tomorrow morning at 9:30. All right, take care. Bye.